I'm Ivy Hurst, Gold Buckle Pro, and we are here today at Smith's Show Horses, where I am demoing a yearling stud colt by Slick by Design out of a DesignedNHeaven mare owned by Larry Markham and Nancy Wells. This is a very nice colt that has been handled quite a bit. He's already broke to hobbles and has been lunged quite a bit in and out of the round pen. He has a very laid-back disposition, very clean-legged and good conformation. We were able to pick up his legs, and I was able to come out here today and lunge him. We've been fly spraying him and handling him. He's been great for all the pictures. This colt is a nice traveler, and he holds his hind legs up underneath him really well when he's going in a circle, which could be very beneficial in the veil pen. Overall, this is a really nice colt that has a great disposition and should go on to make a performance horse.